Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and sa mga bago nyo sa channel ko, hello, kamusta kayo? And for today guys, we're going to do another mukbang video and as you can see, meron tayong food dito sa harapan nyo. It's from this one, Panda. Hindi siya nag-out of phosphor. It's from Panda Express and I ordered talaga yung medyo sikat sa kanila, which is yung orange chicken nila. And we have rice and also we have noodles here. So, yun, gutom na ako and kaka-deliver lang nito sa akin. So, tara, kainin na natin to. So, first, try ko yung noodles. Wait. Try ko yung noodles nila. Yes. Here, for you. Actually guys, itong in-order ko na to, it's two entries. Two entries and then one side I think. So, or two entries then one choice of side. So, yung side na pinili ko is yung noodles with rice. And then yung entries ko is itong dalawang chicken na to. Pero, pwede siya actually ibang klase ng chicken. So, hindi lang orange chicken yung available dun sa kanila. So, yun. Hindi ko pa natitikman yung chicken. Yun yung most awaited part na titikman ko. So, wait. First time ko pala to guys. First time ko kumain sa Panda Express. So, sobrang excited talaga ako matikman. Tara, kumain tayo. Ang sarap. So, medyo maasim-asim siya na chicken. Kaya, tapos, medyo sweet and maasim. Meron ba ganun? Sweet and sour. Yes, may parang ganun yung lasa niya, sweet and sour. Tsaka good kasi boneless siya. Wala siyang buto or anything. Kaya, masarap kainin. So nga pala guys, this only costs 293, yung two entries and then one side. I think they have much lower price for that. That's na merong one entry and then one side. It depends also sa calories na kinakain mo. So maybe you want to check out their page or dun mismo sa store nila kasi they count it via calories. So ganun sila mag-serve. So yung two entries ko and one serve, I don't know how many calories meron ito, pero sulit yung 293 ko. Sobrang crispy. Sarap. Marami pa pala to. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like it. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below, and bye bye.